Selective Platinum family. Me and Bobby there again on the road. We are got Bobby's show tonight. Bobby Sound Clash. Right there, sir.
8880. Big up yourself. Selective Platinum. On our way to the musical fight. 880 Ellesmere Road. Today is going to be a cat fight. Mary B and Randy Savage.
So stay tuned for the next version of it, because you know from your selective we're going to show you what go on at the party and the clash. We're going to go on two girls and them are two best friends. So just imagine that epic, nothing normal about that. And a Barbie fault because you have to pick the numbers or the name, so the two of them name come up, so she couldn't help it. So that's what I'm telling you, you guys have to be selective to see all of them good things. Them something normal, which you go see Sound Clash on a Monday, two girls a clash, two best friends. That's not normal, not normal about that. I don't know why Bobby has to go like she shy and she don't shy. Bobby, go on with yourself. But not
Selective Platinum. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, show a friend.
Right there. So alright, we're gonna show up at the place, reach at the place now. The weather not good. Look on the weather. It's nice.
Just
wet.
raining.
It's just raining a little bit. Light rain. So we're gonna turn in now. So wipe up on the can. Wipe up my day and night, don't worry about that. That's the place to come every Monday night. Every Monday night, I don't know if you can see the address. We're at the bus stop. We will pass the bus stop. It's right at Kennedy and Ellesmere. It's every Monday night. So the people are driving there. See there, the people are driving.
880 Fusion Road.
880 Fusion Road.
Yeah, Fusion Road. It is.
That's what they call?
Here. Oh, 880 Ellesmere Road. Sorry. Rascal.
Where could I go this house?
Where?
See a parking right there. Bobby said 888 Fusion Road. But never hear about that at Ellesmere Road. It's right at the intersection. Bucky. It's right at the intersection of Kennedy and Ellesmere.
Yes.
So stay tuned. We're gonna be right back when we reach in and the whole excitement are going. We're gonna dash out the things them. Them probably can't hear because we don't want to be copyright, so they probably just can't see when we're ready for post the video. So remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell every time I upload a video. You guys gonna be notified. So bye, Bobby.
Bye.
Selective Platinum family, the stage, the party start, the Sound Clash start. I don't know. We're gonna put a preview of the clash right family, we in the bathroom, I go out myself. See, don't say I tell Selective Platinum.
What's going on, yo? It's DJ Isabel.
Right, that's
big up to everybody. Make sure you guys are here at Fusion Lounge April 25th. That is my night. I'm battling, going against King Supreme. You don't know the women are representing. Come out and show love and support the team.
Right, that's why you have to be selective. It's all about Selective Platinum family. You have to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a good video, we're not going to notify because you don't know. If you're not selective, remember me say keep on the circle small, you know. select the people them. I see that the people them run go outside, right this one. Come on, you saw Havana master that she alone at the blood clot bathroom. What you have on your master? I hear the from my channel, the people them see a cute face.
Hey, wow, Jenny from the block, what up?
See there, right there, so that's why you have to be selective, because only when you're selective you can see them something.
Of course.
People take out them masters to show on see them. Right there, so. Alright, so big up yourself, girl. I'm gonna use the bathroom because me want pee, I can't pick up myself. So please, not because I'm not selective, I'm not stop it now. I'm not too demanding. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, click on the post notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you guys gonna be notified. Me, I'm gonna use the bathroom right now. Selective family, we're here again. Party night, party are going with itself. It's all about selective platinum family, that's what I tell you. You gotta be selective to be on my channel. It's all about my core, my circle. So me tell you, girl clash, two girl a clash, two best friends, and I'm nothing normal, and I'm nothing simple. And a Monday night party wrong. I'm gonna do a preview of the party, so stay tuned to see the preview on the party. Look at party shot. This is what I talk about. It's all about to be selective. It's all about you have to be selective. On my channel is like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, May get right back to you guys when I'm on my way going home. So Monday night, you don't find a Monday night like this. This is the only Monday night you'll ever see happening. My friend Bobby, I go on with her good self. It's all about sound clash. Two girls are clash tonight, two best friends, and they go on in their buckle head to head right now. No friendship not in this, nothing normal in this. So stay tuned to see the next episode of it. I'm gonna get right back to you when I'm on my way going home. So ciao. Selective Platinum family, I'm gonna close my channel for the rest of the night. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell. Every time we upload a video, you're gonna be notified. This is my long time good friend Jackie. I'm gonna book up on her in the bathroom. Right, yes, sir. I'm a nice Muslim virtue. I'm one of the security a while ago. I have to carry outside that cooler right down. And the girl them hot from head to toe. Take off the jacket and go out there good stuff now. See them? That's why I'm telling you that for this selective. For them on my channel, it's all about the core. Right there, sir. Right, there's a good girl. Girl stay good. Girl body time good. Girl know to bend over and bend her back and touch her toe without having to feel no pain. That's why you have to be selective. It's all about selective platinum.
Where am I? Where am I? Where did you see me? Here I am. Hello. Hi. Whoa. Whoa.
She's full of energy.
You still stay classy though. African princess. Classy though.
That's why you gotta be selective. You have to be selective to be on my channel. You see all of the surprise, all of the good things, all of the good girl them roll out. I play a good stable girl, target girl. Girl with them body big and broad and taste like blood clot all those. Yeah, you.
Mashallah. I love it. I love it.
Right, Quattro?
I love it. I love it. I love it.
That's your drink?
I'm not drink.
That's mine.
You not drink, Nima?
Alright,
You know her?
No, but I met her in the front. I met her at the front. It's just real. She's a good.
anyways, so I'm gonna close the channel tonight. I'm gonna close the channel. I'm tired. Party done. No, come and see them a go, so no fight. Let me say no, come on.
The girl bouncer was hitting on me, but it's okay. We're good now. We're blessed.
Yeah, man, of course.
All love. We're black.
You have to spread it. If you're a woman, we need to spread love and live good.
Yeah, man. You're not in with nobody.
No? Jackie did it.
Jackie! Jackie's working too hard.
Jackie, come now.
Jackie, what's up?
Whoa! Look over there, so look on a girl that rock her big ear. I go out herself.
So beautiful. I love
See
it.
there, watch there. I'm a YouTube channel,
I am telling you.
you're there on my YouTube channel, so go on yourself.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So me tell you, I always buck up on the shy girl then. Your jacket body, your jacket that go on, see there,
Put it in pink.
girl girl shoes are going with herself on her pink jacket. Girl, me not lie, girl, stay good. You deserve to take a, see there? Right there, sir. See there? Woman power. Yeah, right there, sir. Alright, so like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the post notification bell every time I upload a video. You go see hot girl like them here. Only on my channel, let's see girl like them here. The girl them roll up, the girl them come out, the girl them stay good and go and go play right there, sir. Right there, sir. I'm gonna make sure you subscribe to my channel. Selective Platinum family, we're here again once more. This is the last time. I can't keep up with the girls. Them. Look on the girls. Them. Girls them come out. See that them still come out in a 1 and 2. They are come. See them. Watch our count here. I want to wish you also.
May I count my tips? May I count my tips? See them?
How much each again?
This is not from a Jamaican man, so you know I get a red man. I get some of them, yeah. Can you guys know already?
Yeah.
Right up, look how good body.
That's all. For the Jamaican man, them money pull up. And my
Niger.
right there,
Pull
sir.
up them do alone.
But you see,
Someone I pull up this. Someone I pull up good things. See there?
them got them and them buy the most bottle and I'm gonna pull up the rest. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. See? That's why you gotta be selective to be on my channel. It's all about selective. The one you hide, but now make sure hide and go. Now make sure hide and go. Right there,
on
sir.
YouTube, eh? So don't be
Oh,
shy.
no, not YouTube.
So then already. See, she's shy. Look how she's pretty. But she's shy, but bust out. Go on with the sex. Come here now, go in. So something. So like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. All of
Tell a
that.
friend, tell a friend.
Tell a friend. Tell a